Hey everybody. So I'm going to apologize in advance for all the background noise you may hear. It is raining and I am in a metal building, so it kind of amplifies it. But hopefully you'll be able to hear me clearly. Today is just a simple video. I saw something I liked on a Facebook group post, and I just had to get one. So I found it on Amazon and went and ordered it, and it arrived. So we're going to give it a try. I will say that some people on the Facebook group said it didn't fit right. They had to modify their kickstand. And what this is a kickstand extension pad, puck, whatever you want to call it. Basically, it goes on. It's fixed to your kickstand, and it provides a wider surface for the set, so it doesn't sink into the ground, which is kind of big for me because I have a gravel driveway, so if I ever park it in the gravel, I'm always worried it's going to get a loose spot and go into the soft soil and tip over. So, figured I'd give it a whirl. So, I have not done anything with this. You guys will be along for the journey. This is how it arrived. It came in another package from Amazon, but this is it. It's made in China. It's very generic. It says Kawasaki Ninja 250, 300, 400, yada, 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 10R, 1000, kickstand extender, foot side stand, extension pad, support plate, black with Ninja logo. So it is very generic. It doesn't even have ears. So we'll see if it even fits. And I only opened it to make sure I got the right color and everything came, and it did. So yeah, I got the black with the Ninja, and it's aluminum. It's got a good weight to it. I will say that. So we got to take these screws out. I'm not sure what this hole's for. Maybe a drain hole. I don't know what size this is, but we'll go ahead and we'll go through this together. And it's going to be kind of an install review in one. Let's get started. Okay, so we've got our handy dandy assorted hex bit set here. Alright, now it's going to be 1/4 inch drive. So, and it's going to be metric. It's made in China, so it's going to be metric. Seems to be this. It is a size 3. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take these out. They're already loose, so I'm just going to take them out by hand. I already have my motorcycle up on the rear paddock stand. If you don't have a rear paddock stand, you'll need somebody to help support the bike for you. Or if you're really, really a risk taker, you can hold it yourself. Okay, this last one's a little tight. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, I am not modifying my kickstand in any way. So if this doesn't fit, it'll get a big thumbs down. And that'll be it. And gosh, that seems like a pretty solid fit. Let's go ahead and... It is. I think this is going to work. All right, now, so this is aluminum, and these screws are aluminum. Now, I'm going to tell you the big problem with aluminum. It expands and contracts pretty readily. The reason why you had stuff on electrical, if you do aluminum wire, same reason. It expands and it contracts, which causes it to lose contact. So, you definitely want to put thread loctite on here. So, I got to go find it. I don't know where it is since I moved. But I'm going to go look for it real quick. And I don't care what color I'm going to find, red or blue, doesn't matter. I'm going to throw it on here because last thing you want to do is be going down the road, have this thing fall off, skip off the ground, and hit your buddy that's riding behind you right in the helmet. So, or worse, the neck. So I'm going to go find the loctite and we will get to it. Well, guys, it's a bummer. I cannot find the loctite, and that stinks. So, I'm not going to be able to include that in this video. I will do it afterwards. Essentially, just read the instructions on the bottle. You add it to the threads, you screw it in. Now, no instructions came with this at all. There's nothing in here. I don't know what torque. And it's aluminum, so do not over tighten this thing, okay? Again, aluminum, do not over tighten these. Just snug them down. Again, this is where loctite will also help. Hold them in place. So, I mean, it looks pretty good. Let me, I'm going to get the camera off the tripod here. It's on there pretty good. All right, let's let me get the camera back on the tripod here. All right, let's go ahead and pick the kickstand up. Don't worry about my trash that's on the floor. So it's not in the way of anything. I can say it's going to come a little close if you're going into tight lanes. Okay, so please be mindful of that. Looks good. Let's go ahead and get the bike on the ground and see what that looks like. Alright, so someone did mention it kind of sticks up off the ground. Mine doesn't stick up that much. It would be fine, in my opinion. Overall, it looks good. Let's wiggle the bike. And it's holding it. Yeah. I'm going to give this 5 thumbs up. The only reservation I would have is that it didn't have any kind of Loctite for the bolts. But it fits great. It looks good. I just feel like the Ninja should be like written pointed the other way. I don't know. Why don't you guys comment and let me know what you think? I might try, when I go to put the Loctite on, I might try and flip it around. We will see. Either way, it fits great. For $25, it comes with black, gold, green, red, and titanium. Unfortunately, I wanted titanium, but it was out of stock when I went to order it. Of course, it's in stock now, go figure. But I think it looks good. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, I don't know much about this one. This is just one of those spur-of-the-moment purchases that I felt like sharing with you guys. Anyway, hope you had a great New Year's. Hopefully 2022 treats you well. Stay safe. Keep the rubber side down. And I'll see you out there.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer everyone's questions as soon as possible. If there's anything you would like to see, any tips, tricks, techniques, anything at all motorcycle related, please let me know. I do these videos for you, so anything that you would like to see, I am more than happy to do it. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell to notify you whenever a new video drops. Thank you again. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.